to a new video. Today is going to be a very busy day, a working day because it's Monday. I have a bunch of emails and like meetings online on Zoom this morning. This afternoon I'm gonna go to downtown to shoot some stuff in like a really beautiful studio. It's been really gloomy here on the west side, so that will be really nice. It's sometimes like really nice to kind of change the environment a little bit. And then also I have a little bit of an update regarding the fitness platform. First of all, shout out to you. The comments on the latest Coffee Talk video were absolutely incredible. Like, I cannot thank you enough from the bottom of my heart. It was so amazing to see how many of you were brainstorming with me. I'm like extremely thankful for all you guys' help. So I have a little update on that. I am quickly going to stretch and do a little bit of kind of meditation. I really need to do this every single day before the craziness kind of starts. This is the only way I kind of stay sane in like a really busy schedule. So we're gonna do that and then we're going to make some breakfast. Whenever I have like a super busy and packed schedule, there are a couple things I need to do in the morning that kind of keep me sane. I told you recently I got into like meditation and I found it so hard. A couple minutes just focusing on my breath seemed like impossible. I was uncomfortable. I had so many thoughts. If you're kind of new to meditation like me, I completely understand, and I'm still kind of trying to get the like high feeling what people are talking about. But something what has really helped me do it is this little device from Sensate, and I'm very excited that today's video is sponsored by Sensate. So the Sensate is a little device. You put this around your neck and place it on your chest and it will like vibrate a little bit. It has like engineered sound waves, and these vibrations kind of go through your body. Whenever I feel stress or anxiety coming up, my chest is the first place where I feel it. I feel like pressure. It's so relaxing and it brings my whole body into this relaxation mode that I can't really reach yet with meditation. With the Sensate device, I immediately feel, I don't know, so much more relieved. It's also an amazing tool if you have problems with sleeping. Your whole nervous system just calms down. Place it around your neck, put it on your chest, and you connect it to your app. On the app, you can adjust the music, you can adjust the intensity, the volume, and do a session of 10 to 15 minutes, and it improves so much. I am going to put a link down below. You can get a discount code for $25 off if you use code SANNE. This has definitely helped for me, and I'm taking this with on everywhere on my European summer too. I'm going to do a little session and then I'm going to start my day. Okay, little preview. I'm scrolling through. I just got this in. I am so excited. I'm going to put a link down below which will direct you to sonnevloed.co. I decided to name the platform for now just my name because I guess it's a good thing there's no other Sonnevloed out there. And then in the meantime, we will work on the trademarking because it's a really long process for another name I have in mind. Thank to you guys. So yeah, just join sonnevloed.co. I put a link down below. You can sign up. You will be the first one to know when exactly, which day we're going live, when the classes are available. We are starting with workouts only, and the reason for this is because it takes a lot of time and work for the developers to create kind of a recipe page on it and like the meal plans and all of that. So we are working on it, but if you sign up right now, you will get the price for workout and the food what is coming. In future, probably the price will go up a little bit because we're adding on food, but if you sign up now, you're part of the early birds. You're my VIP, so you guys can go for it. Anyway, check out the website. Be the first one to know. All right, so I am ready to go. I just wore something very light and easy. This is a little top from Wesley. Philippe Paquet shirt, one of my favorites. And then this is like a little short from Aritzia. The only thing I still need to grab is my film camera, which is pretty important. So pretty organized here. Okay, film, 2 rolls, perfect. Alrighty. Oh shoot, I forgot a hairbrush. Very important. I will take this big one. There we go. Ready to go. Boyfriend goals. Wow, it's a beautiful day. Okay, I just arrived in downtown and it's been so dry and so sunny in the last week, 2 weeks. And literally today on my shoot day, it starts raining. Kind of sucks because there's no light and there's like no parking here. So I have to park quite far away. So I need to walk through the rain to the studio. So I'm going to get all wet. Great start of the day. Okay, we can do this. Wish me luck. Yay! Ooh, so pretty.
And the light is like still.
There's a lot of light still. Yeah. All right, guys. I look like a tourist in France. But the studio is really nice. Look at that. So like one of the reasons why we're shooting some stuff here is to get like some social content, and I have to shoot a campaign for Calvin Klein. I've shot a lot of it before in my home, and at one point like you just run out of corners. Hey, the lights!
Oh my god!
It's coming through. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous light. Yeah, at one point you just need to switch up the environment. Make it new. Elon, are you photographing coffee right there? Are you photographing coffee? Oh, so we just shot some stuff. Also, I'm holding my whole tripod, and we just did some loungewear. Coffee vs matcha. Actually, let's do a shot of both of them. Yeah, we can be like, are you a matcha person or a coffee person? The weather was not that great. It's really sticky and humid. I feel my makeup is like melting. The lighting on video is really amazing, but as soon as I take my iPhone out, it just really doesn't look right. But we did what we could do. I think we got some like nice shots, so I will show you a bit later. I actually want to show you guys the camera I'm using because I get so many questions about this. It is the Contax T3. I got it for my birthday 1 year from Max, and I think he bought it from Japan on eBay. It's a little broken. They're very hard to get. It is definitely an investment, but I use it so often and I absolutely love how each photo comes out. I'm going to show you kind of at the end of the video. I'm going to get them developed today. So very nice. Okay, let's pack up. Holy, let's see, we're gonna go home. Guys, we recently got a Tesla and it's basically all electric, and I'm trying to figure out kind of all the functions and stuff, and I sometimes literally do not know like even how to recharge it or just put cold air on. It's also simplified and like in one thing, but you just need to know which button to press or like what to say. I'm still figuring out. Anyway, navigate to home. It's also really funny sometimes Tesla doesn't understand my accent, and when I do navigate to, it literally doesn't navigate me to the right place. Anyway, we're gonna go. Okay, I just got home and filmed a little workout video. Max just left to pick up Katsu because Katsu finally finished his training, and I am so excited to get him back. Like, I can't even express in words how much I missed him. Like, I missed him so much, and I never thought a dog could do that to me, if that makes sense. I don't know, I truly miss him. Like, we even have to cancel our travel plans to New York for 4th of July because we have the dog. And I don't mind it. I do not mind. I'm just gonna be with Katsu, you know? Sometimes it's like the very small things in life what can bring me so much joy, and 100% that is what Katsu does. I'm having a little snack. Trader Joe's hummus is like my favorite. I tried so many different brands. It's just the best. Can't wait to see it. I am going to cook some dinner, and I was thinking about some chicken curry, which is not the same as like chicken curry. What is a chicken curry? It's just inspired on this Dutch dish called kip curry. Basically it's made with a spice mix curry, and I honestly don't have a lot of groceries in the house, so I was thinking to do something quick, something easy. I have some chicken I really need to use, so yeah, that's what we're going to make today. Okay, so for some reason the chicken in the fridge didn't really look good anymore. Actually been thinking how many days ago it was that I got out of the fridge, so I don't really trust it. But instead, I did find some chickpeas in the cabinet, so we're just gonna make a vegetarian version out of it. Chickpea curry. I'm going to make some rice, going to prep the veggies, and then put everything together. Music on. already. Super delicious. Chickpeas with protein, coconut milk, healthy fats, and then like tons of spinach and cauliflower. Yum. Dinner. Wow. Feed you.
Katsu, let's eat.
Run.
He's so
Look at
cute.
this. You're hungry too, right, buddy?
He's hungry?
Oh.